Alright guys, 8:32, we're going to run the numbers. We are live. Oops, my caps lock went on there. Live. We are live. 8:32. 8:32, just about to click over, grab the numbers. Alright. 10 players. Drop them in. 10 entries. Nick on the bottom, Alan on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. 7, that's good. We're going 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice is a 7. Next click wins. Or next click is your numbers. Sorry, my fault. And 7. Here's your numbers for the game. I'll drop them at the bottom. Good luck. We are done. 8:33. We are done. 8:33. 8:33. Timestamp verification.